Fixing all the stuff does not just happen because it is morally right and it should happen or because we want it to happen. It happens because we make it happen. Easy decisions, going to the party and going to the next party. But that makes for a much tougher climb. The harder decisions don't always feel great, but they do get you to a different place much more effectively. What's easy is ignoring our language. There's no punishment for that, aside from an occasional shaming from one of the village elders. That's easy. Picking it up, that's hard. Wendell Chino had a great line. He was one of the Apache chairmen. He was talking about leading and doing things in Indian country, and he called it bullets in the front, arrows in the back. If you're not catching any bullets in the front, you're a yes man to the white man. You're all about colonization. You're not catching any arrows in the back, you're not leading anybody anywhere. You're the last one over the hill, not the first. You're gonna get it both ways. Open your mouth, start speaking our language, start learning our language. Someone's gonna be giving you hell from behind. Someone's gonna be providing impediments in the front, so you do it anyways.